Want to grow your wealth effortlessly? Welcome to Empowered Finance. Today, we're revealing investing secrets that will help you grow your wealth with small, automated investments. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, these tips and tools will put you on the path to financial success. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about automated investing. Automated investing uses technology to manage your investments automatically, minimizing the need for hands-on management. This is perfect for those who want to invest without spending a lot of time managing their portfolios. Apps like Acorns, Betterment, and Wealthfront allow you to start investing with just a few dollars. These platforms use algorithms to allocate your funds across a diversified portfolio, optimizing for growth while minimizing risk. Next, let's explore micro-investing. Micro-investing involves investing small amounts of money regularly, which can grow significantly over time thanks to the power of compound interest. Acorns, for example, rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. This approach makes it easy to invest without even noticing, turning your spare change into a substantial investment portfolio over time. Another key strategy is setting up automatic contributions. Most investment apps allow you to set up recurring deposits from your bank account. By automating your contributions, you ensure that you're consistently investing, which is crucial for long-term growth. Consistency is key in investing, and automatic contributions make it easy to stick to your investment plan without having to remember to transfer funds manually. Diversification is essential to reduce risk, and robo-advisors are great for this. Apps like Betterment and Wealthfront diversify your investments across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Robo-advisors continuously rebalance your portfolio to maintain optimal asset allocation, ensuring that your investments are always aligned with your goals. Tax loss harvesting is another benefit offered by many robo-advisors. This strategy involves selling investments at a loss to offset gains and reduce your tax liability. It's an automated process that can significantly boost your after-tax returns. By reducing your tax bill, you can keep more of your investment gains, accelerating your wealth growth. Automated investing makes it easier than ever to grow your wealth with small investments. By leveraging these strategies and tools, you can build a robust investment portfolio with minimal effort. Which strategy will you try first? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on growing your wealth and managing your finances. See you next time on Empowered Finance.